So one of the things I did want to record and just let everybody know is that I've actually taken a deposit on the shelf for the R53. So that is going, so that this will be the final time that you see the R53 featured on the channel. So you can see it's looking in a sorry state for itself, but hopefully the new owner, it sounds like, will be doing something really fun with it. And I'm quite happy to see it go on to someone that might actually get some use out of it rather than it going into the scrapyard. So really pleased, gives me some extra money to go into the kitty for the F56. So just wanted to say a bit of a goodbye to the R53. It was a pleasure owning it. I had a lot of fun, got a lot of content on YouTube as well. So yeah, that's a goodbye for me. Lots of memories built in and around that car, and I learned so much during the ownership and working on that one that's helped me to do all the other cars that I've done since on the channel. So again, nice to see it. Thank you for everyone that followed the channel, especially based on this car. Hopefully with the F56 we can build something just as fantastic as what this was.